Welcome guys, welcome to the episode, the second episode I guess, and we are discussing about college life. तो आज का टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू बी लिटिल बिट चिल वन. तो ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, मेरी तो नहीं है. देविद, आई डोंट नो.
Yeah,
और लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. तो स्टार्ट
yeah.
करते
See, I think this is a topic that I can see being revisited a lot because honestly, perspective change hota rehta hai. And it's
हैं.
not
या
about like when you leave the college, your perspective changes. Also in semesters, I guess, because college life is a bit fast and bizarre. So I think opinions change hote rehte hain. So basically, I think this topic can be divided into three parts: the expectations, the reality, and the
या
aftermath, or what we did afterwards.
या
So, do you want to start with your expectations that you had?
ठीक है. सो लेट मी गिव यू माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस. व्हाइल आई वाज इन स्कूल फॉर सम रीजन, एंड लाइक जो लोग अभी 12th में है, 11th में है, स्कूल में है, दे शुड नो अबाउट दिस. मे बी यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ वे, मतलब कुछ ज्यादा यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग वे हाई. और सेम गोज विद मी. व्हेन आई वाज इन 12th, आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू थिंक कि कॉलेज लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी अ really different world, which it actually is in some cases but not in every case. For example, हमारे कॉलेज में थोड़ी स्ट्रिक्टनेस हम कह सकते हैं ज्यादा है.
Yep.
और लाइक देख, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट, यू कैन सी अदर पीपल seeing that life in front of you. Like
Hmm.
you used to think that you will get something, you will get to a point,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
you're not getting to the point. But you can see other people doing all of it. So
Hmm.
I would say that was my scenario. I expected a lot and
Yeah.
expectations सारी खराब हो गई.
So,
मतलब मेरा
so,
अभी तक का experience तो इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा है.
so, like, did you had some particular expectations? Like for me, I'll share one part of mine.
I would say movies and what people tell you about college and
Yeah,
life
yeah,
actually creates like a scenario in your mind. ऐसा होने वाला
preconceived
है, ये होने
notions.
वाला
Yeah,
है. Exactly, you have preconceived notions, but when you
yeah,
get there, you realize कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
exactly. So, as a person whose favorite subject up till 10th was English, I thought everybody would be like super fluent and all will be speaking very good English and grammar and all obviously. But
Mhm.
I realized that like professors don't obviously all the time do that, and sometimes even not taking any shots have bad English. But I realized that that is not important for imparting your knowledge, and I think that is one of the very big expectations I held. Like there would be a lot of professionalism, like the faculty would be totally professional. But yeah, there are some fun professors, and it's different. Uh,
I think first semester we had one fun professor,
yeah,
just one. That's it. But
yeah,
yeah, you know what? ये जो कंसीव जो notions होते हैं, I would just say कि जितना expectation कम रखो, you will be happier. Specifically talking about college life.
yeah. So another one big expectation I had was that I would have a really big gang. So as a
Same.
person who has who would had two or three friends, close friends, but yeah,
Mhm.
in school I always thought when I get into college I'll finally not be an introvert and make like a huge group of friends.
Yeah,
That doesn't happen. You don't change your personality like in a day or your persona as in. But
yeah.
yeah, I have a few close friends and they are nice, including Shubham. Yes.
Okay, so like when you were talking about this, मैं एक बात सोच रहा था.
Yeah.
But don't you think that there are people in our class who have a
Yeah,
big gang,
exactly. Yeah,
but
exactly. There are
so
people who have
ऐसा,
big gangs.
so that is it. Like you have your preconceived notions, but when you
Yeah.
get there, it's not important. Like जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें वो मिलेगा. But
Hmm.
the thing is that you will be seeing people who are
Huh.
living your
Who
expectations.
are doing that, what you expected.
Exactly. Exactly.
But that is so everybody's different, right? Maybe they did not expect that. Maybe they had a big gang in school also. They're used to it. It's different.
अब एक बात
Yeah.
मैं बताता हूँ. For some
Yeah.
reason, I just thought कि जैसे ही I will get out of school, everyone will be matured. So
Yeah,
I would
exactly.
say
Huh.
that is one reason that we used to think
Hmm.
कि there will be a big gang, because ऐसा लगता है कि everyone will be friendly,
Would
everyone will
yeah
be open.
on the
लेकिन
same thinking level and yeah,
yeah, that is not true. That is not true at
not
all.
true at all.
Not at all.
One big. big glow was like nobody. There are still immature people doing immature shit.
वी आर रियली immature people. कुछ तो मतलब ऐसे तुम्हें लगेंगे कि यार ऐसे काम तो फिफ्थ सिक्स में होते थे और एक कॉलेज
स्कूल
में क्या
में भी
होता
नहीं कर रहे
है.
हमने,
Yeah,
exactly. So
exactly.
now I think we are shifting towards the reality part.
Yeah. नहीं, but
So
like let's
yeah,
before
huh,
shifting towards the reality part,
yeah,
let's just मतलब let's just ask each other कि क्या expectations थी, ठीक है,
so
जो
that,
कि
yeah,
फुलफिल नहीं हुई है और कौन कौन सी expectations थी जो फुलफिल हो गई हैं.
okay. So like first, like I said, very fluent English and all. I don't think
Mm-hmm.
that's fulfilled, and I don't want it to be like fulfilled. I thought it had to be because it is a professional educational institute.
Yeah,
Nope.
exactly.
Yeah. And the faculty even it is chill. The faculty is mixed. There are some strict professors, some not, some fun, and it's nice. So I thought it would be like pure professionalism. One thing, I guess it Bollywood has taught us wrong things because our college has uniform and shit. I don't like that.
Yeah, exactly.
One
Okay, so
major part, yeah. I
okay,
like you
so
to elaborate that.
नहीं, I will elaborate that, but like अब मैं बताता हूँ मेरी क्या expectations थी. So while
Yeah.
I was in school, I did a lot of business plan competitions, and I was really getting
Mm,
in it. I
yeah.
was really loving the world of entrepreneurship and like all because I had entrepreneurship as a subject, and trust me, मेरी जो teachers थी, they really used to push us into doing practical stuff. Like I would say that I had great teachers in 11th and 12th, so I thought कि I am going to see I'm going to have the similar kind of professors in college, जो कि
Mm,
पहली बात तो हुआ नहीं. Or when I was studying about all these things, when I was participating in business plan competitions, and I was reading a lot about the entrepreneurship world, I thought in B. Okay, so we are doing BBA, right? So
yep.
I thought कि a business administration की degree है, so we would be doing a lot of practical stuff, and we will really getting into real stuff. But ऐसा नहीं हुआ. It is
Yeah.
really theory based. Nothing is practical oriented here, or
Mm.
like that is the biggest जो मेरी expectations थी जो कि यहाँ पर आकर के टूट गई.
So
Number two,
one
I
thing,
thought
yeah.
I will have a lot of free time, which is थोड़ा सा in case हम लोग कह सकते हैं true है, लेकिन
As
if
compared to
you are
other colleges, I
if
don't
you are
think,
in a
yeah.
if you are in a private college like us,
Yeah.
75% attendance you have to maintain. Number one. Number
Mm.
two, marks matter. लग यार होता है, ठीक है.
Yep.
जैसे दिखाया जाता है ना कि 12th तक यू नीड टू जस्ट स्कोर मार्क्स और उसके बाद में इट
It's
दैट
easy
इज नॉट
going. Yeah.
मे बी यू हैव टू डू इट एंड यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर इट.
Yeah.
नंबर थ्री, ग्रुप्स वाली बात तो दिव्य तू बता ही चुका है, और मेच्योरिटी वाली बात भी मैं डिस्कस कर ही चुका हूँ. सो दीज वर लाइक माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो कि फुलफिल नहीं
Yeah.
हुई.
One more I expectation, no, I like it was like I thought, see, since we are doing DB and it is a professional corporate course, I thought, it will be a lot of professionalism and it would be just a bit strict and
या
business like world. But then I realized, college is also a bit adaptive. When the times are serious or when the environment demands seriousness, the college will become disciplined. You'll have to wear uniforms, you'll have to be on time. But when there's time to relax and fests and party, the college can be a coolest place ever.
सी यू
Nice.
हैव टू फाइंड योर वाइब. फॉर
Exactly.
एग्जांपल टॉकिंग अबाउट पार्टिंग शिट, राइट, देयर आर पीपल इन कॉलेज जो कि एक्चुअल में पार्टी वार्टी करते हैं. द
Hmm.
जो जो टिपिकल पार्टीज होती है, लाइक मैं उसकी बात नहीं
Hmm.
कर रहा जो हम लोग छोटी मोटी कर लेते हैं,
हाँ.
बट मैं बताऊंगा कि when you get in college you will find a lot of people who are a lot into it, like they are smoking up,
Hmm.
like cigarettes. Yeah, I would say कि जब मैं कॉलेज में घुसा I was just shocked to see how
How
much
many
people
people?
are smoking.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
And you should not like if see it depends on you. अगर तुम्हारे अंदर वो vibe नहीं है तो peer pressure में आकर के मत करो, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Like it is fine if you want to do it, then do it. It's your choice. It's
Hmm.
not good for your health, but if you want to do it, do it. It's okay. But अगर that guilt वाली feeling अंदर आती है कि यार ये मैं क्या कर
Yeah.
रहा हूँ, तो just don't do it, क्योंकि बहुत peer pressure मिलता है, बहुत peer
Yeah.
pressure मिलता है.
Yeah. True.
So
So,
party करो लेकिन थोड़ा सोच समझ के. It is
yeah.
very easy to
Yeah, to get addicted to this stuff and just fall into this trap vicious cycle. You feel stressed, you smoke, you feel
but
stressed, I guess.
but ultimately in college you have to do some stuff. Matlab, I'm not talking about doing
That
substances.
stuff, yeah,
Like
exactly, yeah.
you, it is okay to chill around a little bit.
It's
तो
okay to,
इतना भी
yeah,
मत
to
सोच, लेकिन
experiment. You
थोड़ा
to
बहुत yeah,
experiment, yeah.
exactly.
So you find out what kind of person you are, I guess, in college. That's one of the major things that happen. In school, you don't have that much freedom. In college, there is a lot of freedom.
Comparatively है, like it,
Comparatively, obviously, yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. So I guess the aftermath, how are you doing now? How after like one semester, what are your
Okay,
opinions? Yeah.
all right. So when when I was like new in college,
Yeah.
I was, to be honest, it was not a great time for
Hmm.
me, क्योंकि मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस जब फुलफिल नहीं हुई थी, और मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल भी मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा नैरो था इन द
Yeah.
फर्स्ट 4 months,
Hmm.
राइट? तो आई वॉज लिटरली, आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू चेंज माई कॉलेज.
Okay.
आई थॉट कि मैं गलत जगह फंस गया हूँ.
Yeah.
और मैंने बहुत लोगों से बात की है, बहुत लोगों को ऐसे होते हैं जो एक नए एरिया में जाकर के नए, व्हेन दे एंटर द कॉलेज, दे फील दैट दे आर नॉट इन द राइट स्पेस.
Hmm.
But ultimately it will, if you change your college and stuff, that will not, make a very big difference, because if you are, facing a problem in one place, there is a high probability that you will find the same problem in some other
Yeah.
college as well.
Yeah.
So if you are facing the trouble that I faced, I would just suggest you to find the best out of what you have,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. For example, I said that I thought that we will have a lot of practical stuff, and I saw that I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
I joined some societies in college that were related to the practical stuff.
Hmm.
So you have to find best with like what you have,
Yeah.
right?
And
And
in
you,
college, yeah, you cannot blame the institute or the things. You have to change yourself. You cannot change the
exactly.
curriculum or other colleges. It won't help.
And
You
I
you
would
have
say
to,
that
yeah.
is a part of the education. Like that is
Yeah.
how you adapt. That
Exactly.
that makes you learn how to adapt and how
Yeah.
to stay
Exactly. Yeah.
happy.
Hmm.
Yeah. So at this moment, I would
Hmm.
say that I have finally got to a point when I'm okay with it. Like,
Comfortable. Yeah.
yeah, I'm comfortable with it. I have
Yeah.
a nice small group in college,
Yeah.
and along with that, I am also, finding practical stuff. Like I worked for some teams. Now I'm doing some courses and all. If your college is not providing it, you can find it on your own, right? No one is
You
stopping.
have to. Yeah.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So what about you?
See, when I entered college first, I was like, I'm just happy to be here because I don't know why. I had this feeling, okay, like I've finally grown up. I'm in a college.
Mm-hmm.
Everything will be smooth sailing from now on. Not true
Yeah.
at all. Not true.
Yeah.
Because a lot of stuff happens, a lot of things change and it takes time to realize. First, you're like, okay, it's the same thing. You're still studying. You still have exams to worry about. I think the first thing that hit me, like in school, you have 1 year to prepare for your subject, right? I think the biggest shift was when I realized I only have 6 months to
Mm-hmm.
do one course, and then oh shit, okay, in 1 year I have to do 2 semesters. That is different
Yeah.
subject. And since our college has a lot of subjects, I think there are 7 or 8. So it was just like, okay, I have to do this.
Yeah.
That changed. So that honestly made me change my time schedule. I suck at time management, which I think I'm doing a bit better.
Mm-hmm.
And changes were like when I entered the college, right? I didn't know anybody, and nobody with a familiar face. Zero people from my school, zero people from my society. I just knew nobody. So obviously
Mm-hmm.
I was first feeling okay, like I'll have to. I don't know how will I make friends. Like, should I read the book How to Make Friends and Influence People? I
And
was scared. Yeah. But then I realized, they are also a positive. Like, okay, nobody knows me. That is also a positive. I can be anybody. So yeah, I
mm.
guess you shape yourself, and that just gave me a confidence, to make more social connections than I had, and it was nice. And
So
oh, yeah,
no,
yeah,
no, let's speak. Yeah. What he was
yeah.
saying.
So I think. Yes, I was saying, yeah, so I learned to deal with the pressure, both
Mm-hmm.
academics and non-academics. And it was nice. I'm still, found out I'm good at some things. I'm not good at others. So I think college
Yeah.
is a phase where is a time period when you get to know a lot about yourself, your likes, your dislike, the people you want around, the people you don't want around, everything. Yeah.